guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inger. Today I'm bringing you this look, this spring bling. So I hope you guys enjoy. Keep on watching. Going into this Juvia's Place palette, I'm going to use this turquoise or more of a limeish green color as a transitioning color, and I am using my BH Cosmetic large tapered blending brush. It's from their smoky collection, and I'm just going back and forth blending this in. And next I'm going to take my Morphe's M322 brush, and I'm going to use this purple shade from that palette. And this brush is more of a dense brush, and I'm going to pack this color into my crease area, directly into the crease area, just shading it in, and you will see me going back and forth with that turquoise color, also blending it out just to make this look more seamless so that all of the colors melt together properly. To cut my crease, I'm using the e.l.f. flat liner brush, and I'm using my NYX Eye Shadow Base, and it's in skin tone. And this is my first time using this, guys, and I think it gave me a little bit of a separation. The reason being I did not set it, but next time I'll just go ahead and set it, and it should come out perfect. In my outer corner, I'll be using the purple shade, and I also use the black shade from the Morphe 32B palette, I think it is. Yeah, just to darken it a little bit more. Going back into the palette, I'm using the lime green color. It's more of a creamy color, and I'm using my Sigma's Shader Lid brush. It's an E56, and I'm just gonna pat this next to that purple shade. On the flip side of that brush, I'll be using the next color. It's more like a light color blue, and it's another creamy shade, and I'm applying it right next to the lime green shade. I think I didn't mention spraying the brush beforehand with the Max Fix Plus. To avoid separation, I'm just going to go over the colors that I just applied. So yeah, guys, I discovered that my camera settings, or the camera, was way too far while recording, so that's why I'm not getting a close-up look for you guys with this recording, but I do apologize for that. So I'm going back into my Morphe's palette using this hot pink shade and that 35B palette, because the Juvia's Place palette, their pink was a little bit too dull for me, so I had to go back and use this pink in order for this look to come out popping. And you know, this palette goes, every time you try to deviate from it, you just have to go back into this palette, because it's just a good palette. So I'm applying that hot pink shade into the inner corners of my eye. And smoothing the colors back in so there is no separation. And I also applied that gold color from that palette in my tear duct, and before then I lined my bottom liner with that lime green shade from that same Juvia's Place palette. Prime my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter primer, and I'm removing my shadow shields now. So I must say, I really love this Urban Decay primer. It leaves the area a bit tacky, which makes it more pliable for the foundation. And now I'm applying my Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm just loving this right now. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep. Going in now with my beauty blender, just melting this concealer in. And now I'm going to be bronzing with my favorite. This is from Black Up Cosmetics. And I'm just going to dust the rest of this translucent away. And I'm using my new blush kit from e.l.f. And when I saw it, I fell in love with it. I think I got this from Target. Yeah, it was about a little over $6. And I'm using that pink sparkly blush color in there. Yes, I love it. Lining my lips with Chestnut by MAC, and I'm gonna go over it with the lip glass from MAC also. I think the lip gloss is a bit too glossy for me, so I'm going to tone it down with Anastacia Ashton. So I'm just finishing this off with my Anastacia Ashton, and there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot. I will appreciate it. Like my videos, follow me on social media, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any other videos from me. So until next time, see you guys.